buying at the rate of 764 naira with worth of 500 naira, 500,000 naira, 500,000. Then we are going to get 654.40 cents worth of USDT. Then we are going to sell the USDT at the rate of 780. So we are going to get 500,000, 432 naira. So that's how much we are going to sell our USDT we bought at 500,000 too. Then we are making a profit of 10,432 naira. So let me show you how to do this. Open your Binance account, then come here at the left corner of your phone. Make sure you are verified. Like this says verify. Then go back to wallet and funding, then go to P2P. After going to P2P, go to NGN. Remember, we use 500 to make an example illustration on this video. So you are buying 1-to-1 on this trade, so no need to use a filter. So we are buying 1-to-1 on this platform on NG. Let me put 500,000. Let me see what is going to bring out. Bank transfer. Go. It's not bringing anything. Let's say we buy this NG here. We have equivalent to 500,000 NG on our account. Then you go back, then you come here home again, then you press this search button, you press NG because this is what you want to trade, NG USDT. Then press this. Now you go to buy. Now technically, if you don't want to buy on this trade, like you don't want to buy in this range, this price, then someone is predicting like this, those people want to buy at 762 or at 700 or at 716. So don't worry about these people that want to buy high or sell low now. The reason why I said this is, don't worry. Automatic, the problem with Naira is going to fall more better. So just buy on this market. So if you buy 500 and worth of at this rate, you're going to receive maybe 655 USD, 656, 55, 654 let's say 655. So we get more than 500,000 naira when we have in our accounts. So don't worry about that. This how much you are going to get in dollar if you buy this rate, 655 USDT. So after doing that, now you have 655 USDT on your account. Then come here to sell. So this is what I want to show you guys in selling. So you need to come here to this bar button here, this to look up the chart. You see, technically this is going to break. This 1, 2 is going up. So you are going to predict, be sure that okay, this price is going to go above this various resistance. Technically, about the Naira is not holding its value relatively. So predicting this and selling at 780 is is okay, it's possible. Then you just need to wait maybe 2 to 3 days or one day save, or 5 hours, because this price can go to 780 with maybe in 1 minute. So it depends, at least 2 to 3 day max, or one day, or 5 hours max. So you will be able to sell at this price, 780. Then selling at 780, 650. So you'll be receiving 500. If you remember the figure I talked earlier, you'll be receiving, if you remember the price I talk the price I talked about earlier, you will be receiving 510,000 naira. So you are making a profit over 10,000 naira in doing this in 2 days, or one day, or 5 hours, or 5 minutes. So if you are in Nigeria, you know about the naira problem. So you know the naira can fluctuate, can go up, can go down at any time. So with this, selling at 780 is sure prediction. So that is how you can make this trade. Some people, I normally get some comments in the comment section that this is not real. Maybe this is real. I don't have time to make a video before doing this trade. It's not that every time you're going to find this opportunity, but if you try to practice this with a little amount, then you are able to make a profit, so you can use a large of money to do this. So try this and understand what I'm talking about. If you don't understand this, try to watch the video again. So subscribe to the channel if you get value in this video, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Thank you for your time.